Today I'm going to show you how to crop just one image in Photopea without affecting the rest of your canvas. This is a super useful trick if you're editing a design with multiple layers and you only want to trim one picture, not the entire project. It's fast, it's clean, and best of all, it keeps your document size exactly the same. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photopea tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in Photopea and look at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. This is the most important first step because you need to make sure you're working on the correct image layer. Click the specific image layer that you want to crop. If you have multiple layers in your design, selecting the right one will prevent you from accidentally editing the wrong element. Once that layer is highlighted, you're ready for the next step. Now go to the left toolbar and choose the Rectangle Select tool. You can usually find it by pressing M on your keyboard. This tool lets you create a selection around only the part of the image you want to keep. Click and drag across the image to draw your crop box. Try to be as precise as possible because whatever falls inside this selection is what will remain visible. If you need to adjust the selection, you can always redraw it until it matches the exact area you want. Once your selection is in place, look back at the bottom of the Layers panel. Here you'll see the raster mask icon, which looks like a dark rectangle with a light circle inside it. Click that icon to apply the mask to your selected layer. As soon as you do that, Photopea will hide everything outside of your selection. The outer edges of that image disappear, but your overall canvas stores exactly the same size. That's the key difference here. You're cropping one image inside the document, not resizing or trimming the whole canvas, and that's really all there is to it. You've now successfully cropped just one image in Photopea while keeping everything else untouched. This method is perfect for thumbnails, social media graphics, collages, and any design where you need precise control over a single layer. If you ever want to make changes later, the mask gives you more flexibility than a permanent crop, which makes it a very smart editing workflow. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.